So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 20 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic religious reforms in Judah. So in short to stay till the end of this video, let's go ahead and start with this first question here. It says, the workmen who prepared the house of the Lord during Josiah's religious reforms were not made to account for the money given them because they A. did not receive the money directly, B. bribed the temple officials, C. lacked accounting capabilities, D. were honest workmen. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. They were honest workmen, and that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have question number 2 here. It says, the enormity of the sins before Josiah's reforms was exemplified by their failure to keep the Passover since A. the days of all the kings, B. the days of the judges of Israel, C. the days of Manasseh, and D. they were brought out of Egypt. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, since they were brought out of Egypt. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 3. It says, the book of the law was found in the house of the Lord during the reign of King A. Josiah, B. Ahab, C. Omri, D. Hezekiah. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's Josiah. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 4. It says, the reforms of King Josiah were made possible by the A. destruction of the chariots of Ahaz, B. sacrifices he made to God, C. encouragement he received from Hezekiah, D. discovery of the book of the law. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, discovery of the book of the law. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Guys, we have here question number 5. It says, one of the reforms of King Josiah was that A. he worshipped at the brook Kidron, B. he allowed the worship of Asherah, C. the priests were allowed to worship in the temple, D. he defiled Tophet in the valley of the sons of Hinnom. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 6. It says, the book of the law was found by A. King Josiah, B. Shaphan, the son of Azaliah, C. Adaiah of Bozkat, D. Hilkiah the priest. And that's it for this question, guys. Option D is the answer, Hilkiah the priest. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have a question number 7. It says, although Josiah removed the vessels of Baal and Asherah from the temple, God did not turn from the fierceness of his wrath because A. Jehoahaz, Josiah had provoked him, B. the people did not remove them completely, C. the people had opposed Josiah, D. Manasseh had provoked him. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Manasseh has provoked him. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, we have here question number 8. It says, what did King Josiah do to the altar that was erected by Jeroboam at Bethel? We have A. he burnt it down, B. he broke its stones into pieces, C. he removed its items, D. he rained cost upon it. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. He broke its stones into pieces. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 9. It says, in his efforts to rebuild the walls of Jerusalem, Nehemiah prayed against the insults of A. Nebuchadnezzar and Tobiah, B. Ammon and Shalom, C. Tobiah and Sanballat, D. Geshem and Huldah. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, Tobiah and Sanballat. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 10. It says, a significant religious reform administered by King Josiah was A. Reintroduction of the Passover, B. Building wall around Jerusalem, C. Establishment of God's temple, D. Reconstruction of the temple of God and its dedication. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. Reintroduction of the Passover. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here, question number 11, says, the most important aspect of the religious reforms of King Josiah was the A. Discovery of the book of the law, B. Discovery of the tomb of the man of God, C. Renewal of the covenant, D. Cleaning of the temple. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, renewal of the covenant. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Here we have question number 12. It says, the pronouncement of God on Josiah for being penitent was that A. Josiah would have a peaceful reign, B. God would support him to repair the temple, C. God would grant him long life, D. Josiah would conquer all his enemies. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. Josiah would have a peaceful reign. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 13. It says, the greatest achievement of King Josiah of Judah was his A. Rebuilding of the temple, B. Treading a worthy successor before his death, C. Sweeping reforms of the religious life of his people, D. Curtailing the Assyrian aggressions. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, sweeping reforms of the religious life of his people. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 14. It says, the southern kingdom of Judah experienced a significant religious reform under the leadership of which righteous king? We have A. King Ahab, B. King Hezekiah, C. King Jeroboam, D. King Nebuchadnezzar. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's King Hezekiah. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Here we have question number 15. It says, after the dedication of the temple, Ezra studied the law of the Lord in order to A. enhance his prophetic status, B. become the first judge in Jerusalem, C. defend the Jews against the Babylonians, D. teach his status and ordinance in Israel. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, teach his status and ordinance in Israel. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have question number 16. It says, what did King Josiah do to the idolatrous priests in Judah? We have A. He deposed all of them. B. He killed all of them. C. He demoted all of them. D. He sent all of them on exile. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. He killed all of them. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So here we have question number 17. It says, King Josiah ordered Shaphan, the secretary to the house of the Lord, not to account for the money given to repair the temple because A. the people were honest, B. the money was too small, C. much money was collected, D. he wanted to benefit from it. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. the people were honest. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 18. It says, Josiah sent the priest to inquire of the Lord from Huldah. So we have here options A. Hilkiah, B. Shefan. C. Shalim. D. Hilda. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's Shefan. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 19. It says, in addition to the declaration of freedom to the exiles in Babylon, King Cyrus ordered for A. Security check on the Jews before departure, B. The release of Jewish slaves in the empire, C. Free will offering for the house of God in Jerusalem, D. Support from craftsmen in Babylon. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, free will offering for the house of God in Jerusalem. So let's head on to the next and last question, guys. So guys, over here we have question number 20 of 20. It says, the reforms in Judah under King Josiah happened in the dash of his reign. A. 10th, B. 18th, C. 15th, D. 1st. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's 18th. And that's it for this question. So this is where we end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one. Thank you.